In this exercise, we will learn how to use tab and slot feature and create these tab and these slots. So let's create this structural member, then we will apply this feature. Now let me choose front plane sketch. Now here I am going to create a sketch for steel structure. Activate line tool, draw one horizontal line and make sure pass through origin, and make the origin point is midline of this midpoint of line. Again apply vertical length. Now let's define the length 75 mm, 40 mm. Okay. Now exit structural member, ISO standard rectangle tube, and this is the minimum, so I'm going to apply here. See, this is passed through origin. Okay. Now I'm deliberately going to choose steel structure. Again I'm going to apply the same thing to this. See here. Okay. Look, this is passes through inside. So let's see how to use trim extend and delete this one. Now corner type, choose trim end. This body I want to trim. Allow extension. There is a boundary how to trim this. There is a two things. One choose face or plane. One choose body. So body is perfect thing. Select this one, body. Now see, internal things deleted. Now here allow extension. So cut between bodies. Okay. Now hide. Select this one. I want to change this one. So let's say I'm going to keep 21 because slot. Let me select this one. Slot should be on a plane surface, not on circular surface. So this is 39. So let me select this one. Make this one 38. Okay. And make radius 4. See. Now let's try to create slot here. Simply go to insert, sheet metal, and here you will find option tab and slot. Tab going to create upper part, slot going to create this bottom structure. Now group 1, first select edge. I am going to select this edge. Now plane, the tab going to extend up to, so select bottom plane. Now you will see. Now this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.1 the green, this is 0.2, the 0.1. Offset 3 millimeter from 0.1. 3 millimeter, let's say 5 millimeter. See, this is going to move. Distance to 5 millimeter. See, this is also going to move inside. Okay. We need 2 number of instances. Even you can make more than 3 also. See. But 2 is okay. Length, let's say make it 7. Okay, it looks better. Now thickness is 2.6 because the thickness of this steel tube is 2.6, so we will keep. And height up to surface, up to which surface? Up to back surface. That's why we choose height, even though you can apply blind and decide the depth. Now see this yellow color, this is the slot. This slot, tab. You can either make it, there is no sharp edge, fillet, chamfer. Let's make first sharp edge. Then next option is slot. Slot going to create on this. Now in slot you can create offset value 0.1 mm going to add. So slot going to bigger 0.1 mm in one side, 0.2 mm in width. So total length going to be changed in both side. Now okay, let's see this. Okay, this is done. Choose group, new group, select this one and face bottom, but here is not going to decide anything, so let me change 3 and let's make this length 5. See, this thickness and everything same. Add here fillet point at end. Now here let's say 0. Again new group, come here. Okay, face bottom, okay, 3 make instances 3, fine. Okay, length we will keep same. Now this time chamfer, okay, makes chamfer 1 millimeter, and here at slot option there is one, you can corner type, let's say fillet, and there are many options. Let's apply fillet. Come down, fillet you can define 0.5. Okay, the third slot is defined. Again choose new group. For new group, select this edge, face again bottom face, but here the things are compact, so make it small, 4. Okay, thickness and height we will keep same, make it normal. Now here let's say gap 0.2. Okay, straight. Okay, now let's see what we achieved here. Come, now this one, see, we applied gap 0.2 and all the end. So here 0.2 and let's see what gap we did we okay, here we applied 0.1. Now I'm going to edit, move, copy, uncheck, select this one, drag upside. Okay, see, this is the simple slot. See, this is also simple slot, but this slot have a tab have radius. Similarly here 3 tab with chamfer, but at bottom you will see this slot also have fillet. You can change according to your, just I want to show you. Now here come, see, here we change, but the gap between, let's say this is value we keep 4 millimeter, but here let's select this sort, see 4.4, because in one side we added 0.2 millimeter extra, so both side going to be 4 millimeter. If you select this side, it is 2.6 plus 0.2, so it's going to be 3 millimeter. Okay, so this is how you can use slot feature. It is very useful tool. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.